So I'm going to show you the night mode on the Mavic 3. It was released early November 2022. It is by far a superior product now. Now I just wish that they would do a couple things. I wish they would add video waypoints, and they haven't yet. And I would also like them to add the old-fashioned point of interest where you would hit the C1 or C2 button on the back of the controller as you were over your subject. So if your subject is here and you want to do a point of interest, you fly over it, you hit the C1 button, it locks it in, you back out, and as you back out, the go button will turn green when you're far enough away. You can hit then set and it will do the point of interest. And you need that for night vision now, because unless this subject is lit really well, you're not going to be able to stay on that point of interest of that subject. So they need to bring the old-fashioned point of interest back. It works on the Mavic 2 perfectly. I use it there, but I want it on the Mavic 3. I also would love to have it on the Mini 3. So there you have it. Enjoy these videos. I'll show you some night vision or some night mode of Tacoma, Washington. Have a great day.
This game, this flame would still be burning. Who would have guessed that all these blenders would still be churning? Not even we on our bended knees could have ever blessed it. Not even I with my head in the sky would have ever guessed it. But here we are for a family reunion costume barbecue. All the black sheep family outcast and a freak or two. No, the hat tricks and the gold bricks still don't have us down. Still a party for the hardy when we come to town. You're still grinning and we're still winning, nothing left to save. Death defined as I go flying down this endless wave. And here we are, with the offbeat Uncle Freds who spilled their wine on you, and the in-your-face Aunt Rachel's with that attitude. All the ones who use your bathroom, then eat all your food, with the dreamy deadheads who just like us and say right to you. Here we are. Maybe it's because in spite of all the work we do, it's the child in us we really value. Here we are, with our fins up and our feathers flashing. Here we are, with our coconut shell fries ears chapping.